Alright, there you go, guys. Leaf Best of Hockey single box group break number 4. And we rolled a 4. There you go, guys. Good luck. For the Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom, International Experience jersey. That's going to Beach, or Boch, still don't know how to pronounce it. Which one got the Red Wings? There you go. And the encased card is a 9.5 of some kind, a 9.5. From Artifacts, Mario Lemieux, the Penguins. Going to Damon, LA Kings fan for life. Both 13-14 Artifacts, Autofacts. There you go. 9.5 with a 10 autograph. Super Mario. You got it. You're welcome. Congratulations, Damon. That's it, guys. Thanks again for you guys signing up. Next time, peace.